Today's interaction is being conducted by me, Ms. Madhuri Sharma, faculty, on behalf of Insurance Institute of India. We are honored to have with us Mr. Kandpal, MD and CEO of SBI General Insurance. Mr. P.C. Kandpal joined SBI General Insurance in June 2019 and was elevated as its MD and CEO in July 2020. He is a seasoned banker with more than 33 years of experience in both retail and international banking, human resources, technology, and learning and development. He also had a stint in SBI Mutual Fund as CEO. So, sir, a very warm welcome to you. We
Thank you,
begin today's interaction with the first question. Sir, we are all aware that the banking sector in India has been successful in financial inclusion, and 2014 onwards, the proportion of population included has crossed 81%, and SBI had a huge role to play in that. However, the insurance industry has not been able to achieve the required levels of penetration, which are amongst the lowest in the world. Can you please share what strategies can be adopted or replicated from your banking experience for achieving the higher level of penetration?
Okay, thank you first of all for the nice introduction, ma'am. And it's always pleasure being on a forum conducted by Insurance Institute, which is a statutory professional body. So for insurance underwriters, and it's a privilege to be here. So coming to your question, ma'am, banking and insurance do have synergies as both are financial services. So both strive towards financial security of the customer, and underwriting principles are almost same both ways. So I'm glad to be part of now insurance fraternity, coming from SBI with 34 years of experience. It's really a privilege to be amongst the people who are into protection, and the best thing is that how they evaluate risk. So in SBI General, we have crafted many strategies when I took charge in last year. We decided that apart from following the ethos of SBI, we have to follow the regulators' constant focus on increasing awareness across, increasing awareness, increasing penetration. So we decided to give our focus more to the rural India. So we often say rural Bharat is where rural India lives. So we are focusing more on designing products, designing and pricing them well, keeping them simple, increasing awareness, because SBI gives us an opportunity to reach out to every nook and corner of the country. So we are trying to understand customer needs. We have introduced certain products which are very useful for our rural folks. Our deep distribution and reach will help us in selling this product to them. Plus, when we contact them, it will increase awareness about the products also. And now focus from the regulator is on micro insurance, because so we are trying to push that micro insurance this thing. All these things will be possible if we keep our distribution cost low. So we are trying to build every journey on the digital. So the distribution and the product diversification, geographical diversification, these three things, and keeping it simple by giving in digital form are the mantras which we are following.
That's a very, very well crafted strategy, I would say, encompassing all the aspects of the distribution channels as well as marketing. So we move on to the next this thing. The SBI General Insurance has reported a 45% growth with a profit of 412 crores in the financial year 1920, with combined ratio at 98% and a very healthy solvency ratio of 2.27. Now, the government has increased the FDI to 74%. We would like to know if that is really required by SBI General Insurance, and what are your growth plans for the company?
So, ma'am, coming to FDI, it's always welcome because with not only funds come, but with the funds, there comes the technology, there comes the knowledge, and there comes the products which these matured countries have already rolled out. They can experiment. Only one thing which government should be a little careful about is that they should give them opportunity to work in our rural and semi-urban areas. So if they do that, this will help two purposes. One is that the product penetration in these areas and awareness will increase. Two is that, see, the competition in urban and metro, which has increased a lot because every insurer nowadays is focusing on the metro customer or urban customer. So there is a lot of price war which is happening. So if they burn all their capital which they are bringing in being in that price war, that will not serve the purpose. So we also recommended a few days back we had a webinar that all this money capital should be utilized for increasing awareness, increasing penetration, and creating right, simple, affordable products for our rural.
That is actually what is the need of the hour currently, presently. We move on to the next question. The digitization in India is a visible and well-known phenomenon, especially during the COVID crisis, and it has transformed the way insurance companies will be doing business in future. So how would you decode a digital disruption in modern insurance landscape? And could you just tell us some measures that SBI General Insurance has taken in this direction recently?
So now digital is, you can't ignore it. You have to, whether you love it or hate it, you can't ignore it. That's the thing, because if you have to deal with the new generation, they will all be doing things digitally. Now, what can you offer on digital platform? Is it only that you are available there, or are you creating convenience for the customer? And what kind of experience you are giving them, because they will be evaluating you based on the experience which they have during the buying or claim settlement or any endorsement. This strategy need to be put in place. So we in SBIGI are trying to create a digital journey, an experience journey, so that after coming to our site, he enjoys being there for whatever minutes or seconds we can say he is there, and he is fulfilled with his requirements. Suppose he is buying, then the buying journey should be completed in maximum 3 clicks, and then he gets information about the product he has bought, and we are continuously in touch with him through that app. And if he have to come for endorsement or change or addition something or for any inquiry, that should be seamlessly be available to him. And when he comes to the claim, which is the moment of truth, that time the experience should be wonderful. He should not go through another pain. One is the loss of his asset or the peril which he has suffered, and then struggling with the claim. So these things will make the digital journey beautiful. So
your YONO app has also been very successful.
Yeah. Fortunately, SBI also have the same philosophy that if we are developing something, we should be doing that. The only thing there is that the number of customers which they handle is huge. So managing aspirations of all those large number of customers becomes a challenge sometimes.
Yeah, but I think they've done commendably well, because I'm also one of the customers. So I am quite satisfied with these services.
So we often say, if you are satisfied, you tell others, and if you have got some complaint, tell me.
Okay. Sir, we move on to the next question. You have been head learning and development at State Bank of India for almost 2 years and would undoubtedly understand the importance of trainings for nurturing the employees. What role do you think Insurance Institute of India would play for the education and training of the insurance sector?
You touched the most softest part in my thing. I still say that my best tenure had been the L&D tenure, where I
Okay.
could touch the lives of all 250,000 employees in SBI. So now Insurance Institute also can play a very big role in creating so you have to develop a passion in people who are working in insurance industry. I often tell my team, first love your job where you are working. Job means your industry, and then learn about that industry and create a story around this. Unless you develop that kind of passion, I'll tell you my simple story. When I came to general insurance, so I was wondering, bank and general insurance two are very diverse. Here you have to do more selling. There people come for their
Yeah.
their needs. Okay, yeah. So how to convince myself that I am doing a good job, or I have to stay here in this industry? I often tell this because I say one person wanted to become rich. Okay, so he prayed to the God and he said that God said, okay, you will get a lottery. And he came back, sat at home for 5 years, and no lottery came. Then he went back to the God saying that you are a liar, you did not let me become rich, you promised. He said, no, I stood by my promise, but did you buy a lottery ticket? He said, no, I did not. So he said, how will you get a lottery? So similarly in insurance also, when people say that why insurance awareness is not there, because people think that, see, the God is the insurer of last resort. Okay, nothing will happen to me. Everything will happen to other person. And when something happens, either they run to the government or start going to the temple saying that mere saath aisa kyun hua. So the God should say there that, see, I am willing to come to you, but did you buy the policy? So these kind of stories you will have to build around to convince yourself that you are doing right things in insurance industry. Unfortunately, in the industry, very few people talk about the customer. So let's see that for whom we are creating value. We are creating value for the customer. We are giving him a good night's sleep. And if you think that how we can give him a good night's sleep, like in the night, if there is a voice of thud, okay, and you think that some two cars have crashed and your car is parked down there, you should not go running seeing that whether my car is safe or not. At least you should be sleeping and you should say चलो कुछ होगा तो मैं इंश्योरेंस तो है. घर पे इतने सारे इलेक्ट्रिकल आपके शो हैं आजकल, any short circuit may get the household goods, your hard-earned money which you have invested in creating those assets and all those. But nobody is able to really convincingly tell these things. So NatCat events, even government is not promoting that we should be asking people to insure themselves, because everything cannot be done by government. If the money is being spent for rehabilitation by the government, that money could have been used for building bridges, building institutions, building hospitals, educational institutes, etc. So we all will have to come together in the society. So Insurance Institute plays a very important role here. One is about convincing people, and once they develop passion in them, in the employees, so they will learn more how to sell, and simultaneously they can bring all these together, regulator, government, and another players also, and talk about that how to create awareness about this, how to solve the burning issues which are there, which we people are suffering. So it will be wonderful if you can become a forum of bringing the brains together and letting them discuss and creating solutions. Because you are an independent authority, everybody else has got their self-interest. You do not have any interest in that. So I did the same thing. I brought all bankers together. So I gave them on 3-day like session on corporate governance and media management, because this is one big issue which was there. Yeah. So sorry if I am becoming
No,
too
absolutely
advisory for
not.
III.
It was wonderful hearing your views on what we could do going forward. And it was wonderful having you on our platform, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for sparing your valuable time. And we hope when we go offline, we hope to see you in our campus also one of these days soon.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Pleasure was mine. I will definitely love to come there, because
Thank
see, that L&D part nobody can take out from my heart. I'm too passionate about creating awareness and making people learn